This question is asking us to identify the opportunity costs for both Andy and Hannah of doing two different activities. One is cleaning offices and the other is cleaning cells. And in this example, we're given how much time it takes them to produce a clean office or a clean cell, but we're not being given how many offices and cells they can clean. So this is one way that you can approach an opportunity cost question. And the best advice I have is to convert the minutes into a common time for each person and figure out how many offices and how many cells they can clean in that common amount of time. And it doesn't matter, Andy and Hannah don't have to have the same base amount of time, but they do have to have the same amount of time to do both activities. So in this case, I'd look and say 180 minutes seems to be good because 30 minutes goes into 180 rather easily for Andy. So in the 180 minutes, Andy can clean exactly one cell. And in 180 minutes, he can clean 6 offices because each office takes 30 minutes. And then for Hannah, it's the same thing. She can do one cell in 45 minutes, or she could do 3 offices in that same period of time. And now we can begin to write out our various opportunity costs. So when Andy's looking to figure out his opportunity cost of cleaning an office in terms of cleaning jail cells, we need to know how many cells per office he's giving up. So C over E. He is giving up 1 cell for every 6 offices. So we got 1/6. That also means that his opportunity cost of cleaning a jail cell in terms of cleaning offices is offices per cell. And we just do the flip, all right? 6 offices per cell, so 6 over 1. For Hannah, when it comes to her opportunity cost of cleaning offices, is how many cells per office she's giving up, so cell over office. She's giving up 1/3, 1 cell, 3 offices. And so when we're looking at the opportunity cost of a cell in terms of how many offices she is giving up, we just do the inverse, 3 over 1. When it comes to who has the absolute advantage in cleaning offices, what we're interested in is who can do more than the other. In this case, Hannah has the absolute advantage over Andy because she can make more cells, or she can do cells more quickly than Andy. So Andy can get 1 cell in 30 minutes. She can get 2 in that same amount. So Hannah definitely has an absolute advantage in her ability to clean offices. When it comes to cells, again, we look and we see that it takes Hannah less time than Andy. So Hannah has an absolute advantage in cleaning the cells, but she shouldn't do both. We need to look and see where she has a comparative advantage. Where does she have the least opportunity cost? And so when we're looking at cleaning cells, we see that Hannah's giving up cleaning offices, Hannah's giving up 1/3 of a cell, Andy's giving up 1/6 of a cell. So in this case, cleaning offices is Andy's comparative advantage because when he does it, it comes at a lower cost than it does for Hannah. And as a result, then the comparative advantage for cleaning cells is going to go with Hannah because she's giving up 3 offices per cell, whereas Andy's giving up 6. So who should do which chore? Well, Andy should clean offices because that's where he has his advantage. Hannah should clean cells because that's where she has her advantage. And they'll both gain from trade.